colleague joins me from the ground. Aishwarya, what more do we know about what really is Tejasvi Yadav wrestling for now when it comes to posts in the new alliance?
Well, let me show you the visuals first of Rabri Devi's residence, where all the action is unfolding. And, as you can see in these visuals, large number of Karyakartas from RJD, Congress and left parties have gathered over here, and they are just waiting for the MLAs to come out, as the governor has given time to Rabri, that the governor has given time, I beg your pardon, to Nitish Kumar for 4 p.m. and this is certainly the time where show of strength will be showcased as far as the RJD-JDU alliance is concerned. Tejasvi Yadav will be marching down to Governor's House, Raj Bhavan, and there, a letter of support will be handed over. Certainly, as you asked, the terms are now being decided by RJD, Tejasvi Yadav, in front of Nitish Kumar, as a lot of things are at stake, as RJD remains to be single largest party in the newly formed government, and they wanted certainly, and there you can see first Tej Pratap Yadav again coming out and showing the victory sign to the Karyakartas over here at Rabri Devi's residence. There you can see Tej Pratap Yadav, who welcomed personally all the Congress left parties and the MLAs from the RJD since at around 10:30 a.m. when the meeting began. There are few of the Karyakartas joining with me as well. In fact, the Congress Karyakartas with me. Sir, what sort of arrangement are you looking at in this newly formed government where NDA, JDU and now Congress is also getting, giving support to this government?
See, first of all, I would like to congratulate the entire Bihar citizen that we are now going to move to the development on the road, because since 2020, the development of the Bihar has been totally derailed. Now, the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has taken some decision with respect to the Bihar development, and we from the Mahagathbandhan welcoming him, and for the common minimum agenda, the only agenda will be...
hearing is that the Congress is getting the 4 ministerial posts from the quota. And Nitish Kumar, when asked, he proposed that one deputy chief minister should be from Congress. Certainly Tejasvi Yadav opposed it and he rejected this proposal.
See, it hardly matters now. It is the matter of the development. It is the matter of the just ignoring the Tanasahi, what the people of Bihar and India is suffering. We are just here to derail the process, what BJP has done with the Bihari and Bihari people. They have just demolished the dream of Indian youth by imposing the Agnipath Yojana. So only agenda is just to be strong, be a Mahagathbandhan supporter and make our country very strong and give the message democracy live. And there is a democracy and we will love that and will serve according as per the constitution. And I promise you, this government will deliver as only and only development. Take about the jobs, talk about the infrastructure.
Development will be the key agenda as far as this new government is concerned. There you can see more visuals coming in from Rabri Devi's residence. This is just outside now. RJD workers celebrating. They are on the roof of this car and with the RJD flags in their hands, they are certainly celebrating. क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
भगवान की, लालू भगवान की।
क्या कहेंगे आप लोग? अब फाइनली आप लोगों की सरकार बन रही है, कितने खुश हैं? और जिस व्यक्ति के खिलाफ आपने चुनाव लड़ा, आप उन्हीं के साथ सरकार बना रहे हैं।
देखिए, हम लोग ये नहीं जानते राजनीतिक में कुछ नहीं कहा जा सकता है। सब बीजेपी पिछले दरवाजे से घुसी थी और पिछले दरवाजे को बाहर कर दिया गया।
अच्छा, तेजस्वी यादव जो आरजेडी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है, अगर उनको मुख्यमंत्री पद नहीं मिलता है तो आप लोग मानेंगे इस डिसीजन?
हम लोग हर चीज मानने को आदरणीय लालू प्रसाद यादव जी जो हम लोग के भगवान है, वो जो फैसला लेंगे हम लोग उनके साथ हैं।
You heard from the workers over here of the RJD, and they are certainly celebrating this as far as the confirmation has come out that just a few minutes from now, the MLAs from RJD, Congress and the left parties will come out of the residence of Rabri Devi and they will be heading towards the residence of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, and there will be a show of strength, a march to the governor's house,
Right.
and they will be certainly giving that letter of support. But here you can see these visuals clearly showcasing that how happy the Karyakartas of RJD are, and if I can tell my camera person to also pan in and show the entire view of what's happening in and around the area. There are several other Karyakartas. We will go and speak to them on how happy they are with the kind of news that is coming in as far as the development of Bihar politics is concerned, and how much happy they are. Certainly आप बताइए यहाँ पर कितने खुश हैं आप यहाँ पर, और
खुश है कि बता नहीं सकते हम लोग, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इस दिन का इंतजार हम लोग काफ़ी समय से कर रहे थे। आज वो दिन आ गया।
अच्छा, जिस व्यक्ति के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ी उसी के साथ सरकार बना रहे हैं?
नहीं, जिस व्यक्ति के साथ का हमारी लड़ाई तो हमेशा से बीजेपी के साथ रही है। हाँ, जदयू
नीतीश कुमार के खिलाफ भी तो आपने चुनाव लड़े थे ना?
कभी नहीं, हम लोग हमेशा गठबंधन में रहे।
Right.
आज फिर से गठबंधन में आ रहे हैं हम लोग।
अच्छा, तेजस्वी यादव को मुख्यमंत्री नहीं